Here with UMC head volleyball coach Lee Anderson, just coming off a 3-0 loss to Minnesota Duluth, a very strong team, number 3 in the nation, but you guys did some things well. It was just kind of sustaining those things, and it seemed like you came on late in a lot of sets rather than kind of starting out that way. The way you ended most of the sets was pretty good, but the way you started was a little slow.
Yeah, you know, they put it on us pretty good tonight. They do so many things really, really well. And they expose some of the things that we don't do well that other teams haven't necessarily taken advantage of. You know, I would like to see us start a little bit faster. You know, we've got to have better process from the beginning, and we can't take half the set to sort of get rolling and get our process going. So those are things we need to work on. Hopefully we get a little bit better at those in the coming days and be ready for the upcoming matches.
What are the big things you have to do just specifically going into St. Cloud State? It's kind of a weird weekend with home on Thursday, and now you turn around and you'll leave tomorrow evening to head to St. Cloud.
We've got to serve the ball much tougher, and we've got to pass the ball better. You know, we had very few opportunities as the match went on where we were really in system. We were either passing the ball on the tape or 12 feet off the net, and we can't live that way. And we've got to apply far more pressure from the service line. You know, I'm okay with the missed serves, but we've got to be able to put more pressure on, and we struggled with that tonight. When we did put pressure on, we were fine. You know, our outcomes were right there because our process was good, but we didn't apply anywhere near enough pressure tonight, and hopefully we'll get a little bit better at that in the coming days.
Thanks, Coach.
Thanks.